In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay the Elevenlabs with Google Pay. Elevenlabs voice cloning. We'll walk through how to confirm whether Google Pay is supported and where to find the official guidance from Elevenlabs. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Our goal here is simple. Research the payment methods Elevenlabs accepts, specifically Google Pay, so you know exactly what to expect before you upgrade or make a purchase. In the Google search bar, type Elevenlabs and look for the official site with the elevenlabs.is domain. Click through to the website. Once you're on the Elevenlabs app, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile area. This is where account-related links live. If you're not signed in, you'll still see the navigation, but being logged in can make the layout clearer and ensure you're looking at the most up-to-date interface. From the profile area, open the Docs and Resources section. This is the quickest doorway to official information, so you aren't relying on old forum posts or third-party guesses. Inside Docs and Resources, choose the Help Center. That's where Elevenlabs publishes their current policies and step-by-step articles. In the Help Center, use the search bar and type Google Pay. Keep your query simple to get the broadest set of results. You should now see an article related to Google Pay or accepted payment methods. Click the article that specifically mentions Google Pay or payment options. Take a moment to scan the results carefully. You're looking for confirmation that Google Pay is supported, any regional or currency limitations, and whether there are device or browser requirements. Some payment methods depend on where you're located, the currency you're billed in, or whether you're on web or mobile. The article will typically outline whether Google Pay appears as an option at checkout, and it may note if you need to have Google Pay set up on your device or browser beforehand. If the article lists Google Pay as supported, you're good to proceed when you upgrade a plan or make a purchase in the app. If it's not listed, the Help Center will usually suggest alternatives, like cards or other wallets, and may provide a way to contact support for billing questions. Remember to refresh the Help Center page or revisit it later if you don't see your region yet. Payment options can evolve over time. That's it. You've used the official Elevenlabs Help Center to verify Google Pay support, ensuring you have the most accurate, current information before you pay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.